Hey there. I wanted to come to you guys and show you one of my most favorite warmers for the moment. Um, Coming straight at you from my kitchen, that is one of the most used places in my house. This is where we cook, eat, gather, read our Bibles, and have our family talks, do a lot of praying, and we meet with God a lot in this kitchen. So it's a general purpose and highly used room in our home. And one of the reasons that it is highly used is that our farm is a working farm. And it's not one of those cute places that Hollywood will put in your mind. And I know most of you, when I say that, you'll have an image in your mind of what a farm looks like and what a farm girl will look like. You know, the shorts, the denim shorts, and the boots, and the cute hairdo. And speaking of hairdo, look over mine because it's still wet from taking a shower earlier, and I've got 2 or 3 more hours before mine's dry. But there's nothing cute about what I wear, and there's nothing cute about this farm. Gone are the days that I have the nice nails, and gone are the days that I have the cute shoes. Gone are the days that I have the cute clothes, because I have a working farm, and working farms don't smell good. They don't, trust me. My farm is not cute, and it does not smell good. On the days that it rains, no ma'am, no sir, it doesn't smell good at all. That's one of the things that I like about Scentsy the most, is that Scentsy does two things for me. It lets me decorate my farmhouse with farm style decorations that suits my decorating style, number one. And number two, it helps to scent my house with whatever fragrance suits me for that day or for that week. And it usually changes from week to week. And trust me, Scentsy has a lot of scents to choose from. And it changes from one season to the next. So I decorate my kitchen because it's a gathering room in my home. But I don't over decorate because I'm the only female in the family. So I have to take into consideration that the guys in the home, you know, I don't go overboard. But this particular warmer that I'm going to pull out of the box right now, hold on, excuse me, is acceptable to the guys. And you'll see. This one is called Farm Stand. And you may not be able to see it well on the box, but it is called Farmland. I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. But it is the coolest thing. It's galvanized metal, painted even. I'm going to set this to the side so you can get a full picture. It is so cool. Gosh, it is so cool. This is the front. It's silos. The door even opens. Is that not the coolest thing ever? That is another thing that really strikes me about all the details that Scentsy puts into their warmers. I mean, this lid doesn't lift off of this silo, and the door doesn't just open on this one, but, and the light goes in this one, but the lid lifts off this one. But before you put the lid on there, the wax dish goes in that one. The lid goes on top of there. See my rooster? See the weather vane? Yeah, now you know why I chose it, right? If this is not me, I don't know what is. Now, when I place it, I'm going to take the phone. I want to take it off so you can see, or I'm going to take this whole setup that I've got my phone attached to and bring it around so you can see it. It's got a notch on the back right there for the cord to go through so that the whole warmer will sit flat on the surface that you've got it on. And just a little thing that I do, I take my cords, and they come accordioned. I stick with that, and I take an accordion clip, and let me pull it back out, and I clip the whole thing. This is just me. And then open up the cords and the flaps. Instead of this way, I open it this way to keep it closed so that the cord is kept neat. Yeah, I'm OCDC. Shh. It's just me. I'm here alone. That way when you plug it into the wall and it's, you know, up against the wall or what have you. Oh my gosh, this thing is too cute. And like I said, I've got it in the kitchen, and it's on a countertop that I'll move this stuff over, where I've got some utensils in a glass container. That's where I wanted it. Let me get my as you can see, I wasn't very prepared for this. My wax is over there. Hold tight. Well, that wasn't long. Got my wax. I usually only put 2 cubes of wax into my warmers. And this one that I'm putting in is from the Petals and Puddles collection. Y'all, golly. It has been one of the best ones that I have found. I have liked the most. Now I'm going to turn you this way. I hope I don't drop this whole thing because I've got a light ring, as you can see, because I'm so bright right now. Probably what I want to do is I'm just going to take you off of the stand. Leave the ring there. There she is in all of her glory. I'm going to drop that wax in there and put that back. And how I have my cord wrapped up, it's kind of hidden. But there it is, lit up with the light coming through the cutouts. There's the wax dish. And that. And the cool part about this warmer, I got it for free. You can too. I had a party going, and it got up enough rewards. I garnered enough rewards from this thing, excuse me, that I was able to get that for free. Yeah, boy. And you can do that too. You can do that too. You can join this month for $9. Digital kit $9. And you can be your own consultant. And you can share a shopping link with others, have them purchase things, and when their orders get big enough and it constitutes a party, they can earn things and you can earn things. That's just how it goes. But yes, I got that free. Well, if you've got any questions, just let me know. But right now, that's my jam. And that's how I decorate my house. And that's how I make my stinky farm smell good. That easy. Ask me anything you want to know. Have a great day.